It says, "And what shall we say unto these things? If God be for us, who can be against us?" We are God's, we are sons of God, created in the image of God. And then the Bible says, "But he that did not spare his only son, but gave him for us, how can he with him not give us all things?" The Bible says God the Father did not withhold his son, who he put and he created with the same value that he ascribed to humanity. He sent him to die for us. He says, how then, if he could die for you, how can he not give you all things with him? So everything that you know belongs to Jesus. The Bible says it belongs to you. Because you were paid by the same price, you were redeemed by the same blood, so that you may have the same privilege that Jesus has as a son of God. So all the things that the Father has, the Bible says they are yours, because you are bought with the same blood. If he gave Jesus to die for you, why would he not give him? Give you all things with him. What shall you say to these things? If God be for us, who will be against us? Our Father is for us.